Hello, my dear students. I, Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University, Bhopal. Today, I am going to discuss on subject Environment Studies and Disaster Management on topic Impact of Technology on Environment. Let us start. Environment versus technology. First, we know what is environment, what is technology, then the effect of technology on environment. What is environment? Environment is the total sum of all surrounding of living organism, including natural force and other living things. What is technology? Technology is the collection of techniques, method, or process used in the production of goods, service, etc., such as scientific investigation. Benefit of technology: we are able to perform everyday tasks faster with the help of modern technologies. We are able to process information, manage, and keep records better. Technology helps people gather information, learn, enjoy entertainment, and communicate. Technology made human life so easy. Now it's been hard to think without it. Now we will discuss the effect of technology. Technology in education. Effective use of technology in classroom. America schools provide one of the most diverse environment today. Being in diverse environment is a great way for a student to get the effect of IT on the business world. This paper is about the way information and technology affect the business world today. We will also analyze the way information technology has affected the way business function and how they have adopted over the year. Civilization has never expanded as much change as it has over the last 20 years. Every part of our lives are affected. Information technology and produce revolutions in the world. Bad effect of technology. How technology has affected our lives. See, in the year 1990, the size of TV are big and the size of human being are very thin and look very smart. But what happened after 2008? From 2008 onwards, technology brings the size of televisions from very big to very small, thin, even LED, LCDs are coming in the markets. And what happened to our physical fitness? We are getting more and more weight and increase our size. That are the bad effect of technology. Why? Because technology provides our comfort, luxurious life. Technology's effects in terms of nuclear technology has been around since the middle of 20th century. Masterminded under intense global military pressures, nuclear technology raised many questions about the value of technology that has the capability to render the planet unfit for human occupations. Transcript of technology versus environment. Here we see environment before technology is very green, very beautiful. What when the technologies are coming, see the environment big. Lot of smokes has been emitted from the factories, nuclear plants, power plants, and pollute the environment. These are the effect of technology. Today, I will tell you little about the pros and cons that technology is placing in our environment. Pros are using technology, we have found many clean energy sources like solar power. So we don't have to burn all those fossil fuels most power plant use. That are in good impacts. Most technology is for luxury and entertainment. while select few fabrications are necessities. People really need to stop relying on artificial intelligence for simple tasks. How we can protect the environment? How do we balance growth and development with practices that will help to protect the resources and the environment we all count on? These are the resource uses, improved nutrition, medical treatment have led to dramatic increase in the world populations from 1 billion to over 6 billion since 1800. Industrialization, development have placed great strain on the world resources. Sustainable development really is a very big and very beautiful task for improving our environment and protect our how we can protect our environment. Economic development that does not permanently damage resources, try to balance need for the development with protections of environment and many more. Pollutions. Pollution is not a big issue. The global environment has been seriously affected by pollutions. Human beings have always polluted their environment, but pollution did not become a serious issue until the industrial revolutions. Industrial revolutions more damage the environment, more affect the environments. What are the threats? Revolutions brought new industrial process, created waste products that harm water, air, rain. By the 1960s, began to threat to human survival. How to fight? Countries cannot agree on how best to fight pollutions. One debate issue of global warming. And global warming could bring disastrous change in the earth climate. Many scientists believe air pollution caused by human activity has caused global warming. Technology effect on environment. Technology does not make activities uncomplicated. Even technologies offer more and more facility, more and more comfort, genuinely make life easier. But how can a person stay physically fit and healthy when he and she does nothing himself and herself? Many environmental issues are discussed, like increased pollutions, increased use of fuel. As human travel globally, they carry and spread disease from one area of world to another. These are the live example in 2019. COVID are come to all over the world from China. Ecosystems destroyed to wild run away. Effect of pesticides on organisms other than the crop spray. Technology and the natural environment. There has been an increased concern about the impact that technology has on environment. Speed of change in human civilizations has been occurring faster than change in natural cycle of environment. And and if this speed is remain continuously same, then there is a big questions arise for us. Technology has accelerated the process of change. Two major factors have led to an increase in pollutions and the depletion of natural resources. We are facing both these factor problems from the very beginning. Accelerated technologies and scientific. Even technology effects on the society. What are these? Technology had many positive effects on society, but has also impacted society in many negative ways. Like with social media being so popular today, it has made major impact on online bullying, which has contributed to many cases of depression and social issues. These are the bad effects. What are the conclusions? Consider the impact each technology on society as well as the environment. They can be either positive or negative. Thank you, students. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned with us.